Fox News anchor Megyn Kelly.
She made some news herself recently by announcing that Santa Claus is white, and so is Jesus, and that's that. End of fucking story.
And by the way, for all you kids watching at home, Santa just is white, but this person is just arguing that maybe we should also have a black Santa. But I mean, Jesus was a white man too, but you know, it's like he was a historical figure. I mean, that's a verifiable fact.
Santa Claus, though he was based on a historical personage, I believe, has pretty much become a fictional character at this point, and he's been depicted as basically every race and nationality by now. I was just in Louisiana the other day, and I saw a light display for the Cajun night before Christmas, where Santa was a Cajun. Alright, Santa can be whatever the fuck anyone wants him to be. That's part of the beauty of fucking Santa. Now, as for Jesus, Jesus was not white. Jesus looked like this. You got a problem with it? I don't know what to fucking tell you.
Alright, two things. I agree that Megyn Kelly should have reacted this way, but the fact that you actually put a picture and say this is what Jesus looked like doesn't make me think that you're an open-minded guy. You're closed-minded. Because we're all raised differently and to believe something different. I was raised to believe that Jesus and Santa were white. Because Jesus is white, I often see him as being white. But it doesn't mean I'm going to go out and say, people, Jesus was white. Because we all have different interpretations of the character of Jesus Christ. Same with Santa. You trying to say that he is this color no matter what doesn't make me think you are being fair. It makes me think that you just want to be looked at as the good guy here because of my second point. And my second point is, the woman who wrote a letter to Fox stating that it was unfair that her children were lied to and made to like a fictional character, not because he was the beacon of hope on Christmas, but because he dared to be white. She wanted to change Santa from being white to black, not because of the fact that this was a lie, not because he was fictional, but because she didn't like it that he was white and her children had to quote-unquote worship a white man on a holiday. Do you see why we should bring up the woman who wrote the letter, you fat fucking hypocrite?